So this is a tsunami structure. As you can see over here, when tsunami comes, many houses and buildings are damaged, and many people die. You don't need to worry about the people living in this building, because there are sheer walls and breakaway walls which help the water to slope back or to go on the opposite side, and the people can stay secure, and it's completely waterproof, so the building is not damaged.
So this is a flood resistant structure. It has an elevated structure which prevents water from coming up. It also has waterproof pilings. Water it also has waterproof pilings which does not allow the water to come, and shear walls which makes it waterproof. Even if water comes in it, uh, it will.
Hi, so this is a earthquake resistant building. So in this building, we created that earthquakes are a very common problem. So in this building, we have cross braces which will make this more resistant. It will become stuck to the ground, and we have shock absorbers which are placed inside the building. So if the earthquake hits with quite a brute force, so if it hits with such force, it won't move, since the shock absorbers absorb the strength that is given away by the earthquake. Then we have shear walls which provide resistance, and if the mud or debris, anything comes on it which we wouldn't want to happen, which we wouldn't have to happen, will just slide off it because of the shear walls. And I can demonstrate if you want that it does not fall. So, if such a model is bought into real life buildings, it may be very useful to us and our society. Thank you.